Goder Viper 2026. This is not just a car, this is a statement. A declaration of intent from a machine that refuses to be ignored, refuses to be tamed, and absolutely refuses to blend into the background. The moment you lay eyes on it, something shifts inside you. Your pulse quickens, your jaw drops, and every rational thought disappears. This is the kind of vehicle that makes people stop mid-conversation, pull out their phones, and forget what they were even talking about. And here at Nitro Garage, we live for exactly this moment. The exterior of the 2026 Goder Viper is nothing short of a work of art wrapped in aggression. That pearl-white widebody shell is sculpted with purpose. Every curve, every crease, every panel has been engineered to slice through air and turn heads simultaneously. The signature orange stripe accents running through the hood vents and side gill vents are not decoration. They are a warning. A signal that what sits beneath that muscular hood is something extraordinary. The deep carbon front splitter hugs the ground like it owns it, while the sculpted side skirts and wide flared fenders give the Viper a planted, predatory stance that communicates raw performance before the engine even fires. Those dark bronze multi-spoke performance wheels are a masterpiece on their own. Wrapped in low-profile performance rubber, they fill the arches with authority, and every time light catches those spokes, you get a glimpse of just how seriously Goder takes the aesthetic game. And then there is that rear wing, commanding, dramatic, and aerodynamically purposeful, sitting above a sculpted rear diffuser that looks like it was pulled straight from a GT racing program. The dual exhaust outlets sit perfectly centered, ready to unleash a soundtrack that will make your neighbors both jealous and annoyed at the same time. Step inside the 2026 Goder Viper, and the experience only intensifies. The cockpit wraps around you like a tailored racing suit. Premium black and orange leather covers every surface, with contrast stitching so precise it looks hand-finished. The carbon fiber dashboard stretches across the cabin in sharp angular panels, giving the interior a technical, purposeful feel that reminds you this machine was built to perform. The flat-bottom steering wheel sits perfectly positioned in your hands, orange accent stitching, and aluminum paddle shifters within instant reach, because in this car, every millisecond matters. The digital instrument cluster comes alive with a racing-style HUD display that gives you every piece of data you need without distracting from the drive. The center console blends brushed aluminum and carbon fiber in a layout that feels intuitive, yet unmistakably premium. Bucket racing seats with orange bolster accents hold you firmly in place, because when you are pushing the Goder Viper to its limits, you want the car and your body moving as one unit. Ambient orange LED lighting traces the footwells and dash in a warm glow that makes every night drive feel like a cinematic event. Under the hood, the 2026 Goder Viper houses a powertrain that matches every visual promise this car makes from the outside. The performance numbers are in a class that very few machines dare to enter, delivering power with a savagery that will pin you to that racing seat and remind you exactly why you chose this car. The exhaust note alone is worth the price of admission, a deep, thunderous roar that evolves into a high-pitched scream as the revs climb, a sound that echoes long after the car has disappeared over the horizon. Here at Nitro Garage, we cover the machines that move culture, that redefine expectations, and that remind us why we fell in love with automotive performance in the first place. The 2026 Goder Viper is all of that and more. It is bold, it is brutal, and it is breathtaking in every sense of the word. Drop a comment below and tell us, would you take the Viper in pearl white with those orange accents, or would you want to make it your own? Hit that subscribe button and stay locked into Nitro Garage, because we are just getting started.